Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Okay, students. So, are you ready to learn accountancy today? Okay, take your accountancy book in your hand and turn to page number 156. Okay, there the adjustment for goodwill. Now we are in the sixth lesson. No, in the fifth lesson, isn't it? About the admission of a partner. There, at the time of admission of a partner, there are many adjustments. We have learned already three adjustments, isn't it? Then the distribution of that undistributed profit, accumulated profit and reserves. That is the first adjustment. Second one, revaluation of assets and liabilities, and the profit or loss on the revaluation will be shared among the old partners in the old ratio. Then the third one, calculating the new profit sharing ratio. Now, the fourth one, adjustment for goodwill. This one we know what is goodwill. So goodwill is the that good name that they have earned through the lifetime of the company or the firm, isn't it? And it is the work of the old partners. And so that is affecting, that will affect the present profit and the future profit. So one share of the goodwill should be brought by the new partner as his share. Along with his capital contribution, he has to share a part of his goodwill. Okay, that goodwill will be transferred to the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Okay, that we have learned when we were learning the sacrificing ratio. Okay, in the calculation of new profit sharing ratio, what is the purpose for preparing the sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio is calculated to distribute the goodwill. Distribution of goodwill, that means the share of the new partner's goodwill will be distributed among the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Okay, for this purpose only we are calculating the sacrificing ratio. Okay, because he has to bring, that is his first duty, he has to bring the capital. Okay, along with the capital he has to bring his share of goodwill. They will calculate the goodwill and his share. For the new share we will study now in the new profit sharing ratio. What is his new share? 1/5 or 1/4. That share of goodwill must be brought by the new partner. Okay, that one will be distributed among the old partners in the in the sacrificing ratio. Okay, now we will learn about the accounting treatment. What we have to do. What is the entry we need to prepare. Okay. So, this goodwill may be brought either by cash or by kind. Okay, then they may withdraw the cash or that the goodwill, the share of goodwill will be distributed among the partners. Okay, so if it is cash, what is the entry? Cash or bank. If it is cash or bank account debtor to old partners capital account. In which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. That is very important. Okay. So, if the new partner brings the goodwill in kind, either it may be an asset, maybe a fixed asset or land or stock or any other form. Okay, if he brings through kind, then That kind means here you can think that it's the asset. Okay, not cash. So, respective asset, which asset he brings, that must be debited. Respective asset account debtor to old partner's capital account. Okay, in the sacrificing ratio. Now, this one will be, if they have withdrawn the amount, then the partner's capital account will be debited. Partner's capital account will be debited. What should be credited? Cash or bank. Okay, for the withdrawal of goodwill by the old partners. Withdrawal of goodwill by old partners. Understood, students? So, we will do one illustration. Okay. I will show the illustration, then I will do and show the exercise. Amuda and Bhuvana are partners who share profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Chitra joins the firm on 1st January 2019 for 3/8 share of profits and brings in cash for her share of goodwill 8,000. Pass necessary journal entry for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed and the partners withdraw the entire amount for their share of goodwill. Okay, why this fluctuating capital method given? Which account we need to transfer? Whether it should be transferred to capital account or current account. To decide that one only they have given this method. Here, fluctuating capital method means not current account, only capital account. So, capital account must be credited first. Okay, so they have asked to prepare the journal entries. Now, we have to share it in the sacrificing ratio. So, first we need to calculate the sacrificing ratio. In this problem, they have given only the old ratio and the new partner share. In that one, in the previous adjustment, we have learned if old partners old ratio and the new partners new share alone given, that means they have not this old ratio given and his new share given. Now, new ratio is not given, otherwise we can subtract the new share from the old share, we will get the sacrificing share, isn't it? Here we do not have that sacrificing ratio, so we have to assume that in the old ratio only they are sacrificing the goodwill. Okay, the same thing, 5:3. We have done yesterday, so many problems. See, when share sacrificed and proportion of share sacrificed not given. You see that total share be 1. Sacrificing share will be the old share. You see, 3/5, 2/5 only. Okay. Okay. The same way only we have to take here also. Here first entry, when cash is brought for the goodwill. Okay. Bank account debtor to two partners, old partners, capital in the sacrificing ratio, that is the old ratio. Cash brought for goodwill credited to Amuda and Bhuvana in sacrificing ratio. Then they are withdrawing. That is also given now in the last sentence. Amuda and the partners withdraw the entire amount of their share of goodwill. So they have taken their share. Amuda's capital account debtor, Bhuvana's capital account debtor to bank account. Amount withdrawn by the partners. Okay. Shall we do this 18th that exercise? Okay. Aparna and Priya are partners who share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Brinda joins firm 1/5 share of profits and brings in cash for her share of goodwill 10,000. Pass necessary journal entry for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed and the partners withdraw the entire amount of their share of goodwill. Okay. Now in the same method we should prepare. Okay, first you write the number 18, then journal entry. First we need to prepare the journal entry, isn't it? Now we will draw the lines. Then a date. At one small column, LF, isn't it? So, journal entry. What we should write? Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay. Number, date, not given anything. Okay, leave it. Okay. That first one, when then their share of goodwill is given to the old partners capital account, isn't it? So what is the entry? Bank account debtor. To Aparna's capital account. To Priya's capital account. Share of goodwill credited to old partners in sacrificing ratio. Here, what is his share of goodwill? 10,000. Okay, so 10,000. The old ratio only, the sacrificing ratio. 5, 2. 2,000 into 3, 6,000. Okay, 6,000, the other person 4,000. So here 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. Then when they withdraw their share of goodwill. Okay, again we need to debit the partner's capital account. Aparna's capital account debtor, Priya's capital account debtor to bank account. Same, isn't it? Old partners withdrawn their share of goodwill. Okay, only these two entries. Okay, now we will see the next illustration. The same model only. Okay, Arun, Babu, Charles are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They admit Durai into partnership for 1/4 share in future profits. The goodwill of the firm is valued at 36,000. And Durai brought cash for his share of goodwill. Here, goodwill of the firm is 36,000. So, we need to calculate the share of goodwill of the new partner. So 1/4 of 36,000. Okay, we will get 9,000. That 9,000 only he will bring. Okay, that will be credited to the old partner's capital account. The existing partners withdraw half of the amount of their share of goodwill. So when we prepare the second entry, we should write only half of the goodwill. Pass necessary journal entries on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method. So capital account only. The same model only. Okay, students. So we will do the 19th one. Okay. Two entries, then LF, then date. Okay. Date, particulars, JLF, debit, credit. Okay. First one, we need to calculate. Okay. We will read the problem. Deepak, Senthil, Santosh are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They admit Gerald into partnership for 1/3 share in the future profits. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 45,000. Gerald brought cash for his share of goodwill. The existing partners withdraw half of the amount of their share of goodwill. Pass necessary journal entries for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed. Okay. So first one, he bring the first his share 1/3 of 45,000. How much? 15,000, isn't it? So 15,000 only he is bringing. So he brings in cash. So cash account debtor to old partner, Deepak's capital account, Senthil's capital account, then to Santosh capital account, then cash brought for goodwill. Can write. That's the meaning, isn't it? Cash how much? 15,000. Then in which ratio? Equally. So that one, no problem. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, isn't it? Fluctuating capital method. So capital account only we need to transfer. Otherwise, fixed capital account means current account. Okay. Now they are withdrawing. So Deepak's capital account debtor, Senthil's capital account debtor, Santosh capital account debtor, to cash account. Amount withdrawn by partners, old partners. Half of the amount only they are withdrawing, isn't it? So 2,500, 2,500, 2,500. Here 7,500. Okay, students, you have understood this one? Okay, so I think these two problems enough for you. Okay, do this one. Tomorrow I will take little more time. Okay, in accountancy. So these two problems you write and keep. Okay, next one, if you can do, because we should calculate new old ratio given, new ratio given. So we need to calculate the sacrificing ratio by deducting the new ratio from the old ratio. Okay, students? Okay, I think I can stop by this today. Okay, thank you very much.